Tangem Wallet turns secure crypto storage into something as simple as tapping a card. No seed phrases, no cables, no fuss. What is it? It's a sleek NFC-based hardware wallet embedded in a credit card or ring form factor. Each Tangem card contains a secure chip, EL6 Plus certified, that stores your private key, which never touches your phone or the internet. Key features and benefits. You get seedless setup, no mnemonic phrase needed, backup achieved through multiple identical cards. You can optionally add a seed phrase if you want one. Ultra secure hardware. You get tap to authenticate, and in-app DApp access and swaps, an open source app. The mobile application code is fully public on GitHub. Many Reddit users report shipping delays, missing tracking info, broken seals, or unresponsive customer support, which is bad, obviously. Support experiences vary. One user had a card malfunction and support replaced it promptly. Others waited weeks. Other people have security concerns that include lack of firmware updating, no device display, and mixed community feedback. I like it a lot versus it's useless for me, like a trap for my coins. So the pros: ultra simple setup, strong security certifications, DeFi and NFT access, and it's also affordable. 2-card set is $55 to $59. Cons: support and shipping reliability issues. No hardware display means you can't really verify transactions. Limited to NFC mobile use. Seedless approach tasks fund loss if backup cards are lost. So Tangem Wallet is highly appealing for users who want ultra-secure, portable crypto custody without complexity. It's NFC-only card interface and seedless backup, simplify crypto but introduce risk.